Okay. So up till now, I think we completed here. I think we just display that also on the console. We get the particular record of that object. Okay. Just our next main to display that record to your details component. Okay. So you can display the component. We can apply the animation here. Some CSS animation we can apply for that in detail component. Okay. So for that, I just copy that code because I have already had that code. First, we have to display that header. Okay. So just copy first the code for the header. We already created the header as well. Okay. First, we have to display that header on your detail component. So if you are your detail view, you can just display your header. Because the header is not be added in your routing file, we can directly display that header. So in detail component, first task cover to display the header with that display. If you have click here logout from here, it said your application is logout properly. Okay, and whatever the session storage we store the data, that data will be clear and remove the atom. Okay. Now, next I have to display the particular record in that component. For that, I just copy that full code because right now we not waste time to write down every time that code. It's a very easy code. For that, we use container fluid, that is a bootstrap class. Okay, for make your application is responsive and make it attractive. We use a container fluid to apply a grading system. We create a row and column. Let bootstrap handle that how many bits you allocate from a particular devices, because I just only display the content of that particular record. So there is no bother about that the size of that screen width. So after that, we create a div. In that div, we can create a class card. We use a bootstrap class as well. That is a card is a bootstrap card. And we create a myRGB, that is our custom class. In that myRGB, we apply a CSS, that is a custom CSS. We can create it here and apply that card. Again, at that card, we maintain its width, style width is a 400 pixel. Okay. In that card, we display a particular record name. Okay. Now, EMP obj is another object. We can store that data. Okay. How we can store, we can see further. Right now, we will not be creating any property like that obj, EMP obj. On that, we created our backend keys. In that employee obj, it's an object. Okay, that will display here string interpolation. Then we use a div again for the text, card text, whatever text you have to display on that card. Then use a text align and make it center. Then on label, we can apply the status. Again, here we can apply the class binding. The last session we discussed about the class binding. Same syntax is apply here on the span tag. Okay, we can use a ng class. I want to apply the badges. Okay, badges to badges field, that two classes are defaultly applied. So for we make it as a true. Then next is a badges success. Okay, badge hyphen warning and danger. Success, warning, and danger we can apply on the basis of a condition. We can set here condition. If status is active, then success class will be set. If your status is inactive, then warning class will be applied. Or if your if your status is a suspend, then danger class will be applied. Okay. We can apply the styling, that padding in 10 pixel. Okay, and we can display that employee status. Again, display the employee phone number, employee created by. Here, I did not mention all data. Okay, that is you have to homework to display all data of that particular record. Means you have to display the name, phone number, email ID, created by, created date, updated by, updated date, okay, country, then other minimum stuff is there in that record. If you have created that, you have to all record should be displayed. Here I'm not be display all record. Okay, just few of fields I just display. Rest of the fields you have to display. This is for your homework task. Okay, then after that we use a button. On button I have to created two buttons, that is update button and home button. Right now on update button we cannot do anything. That will do later on. Okay, just we created that update button and home button. So first we create the on update method on your component file. Just otherwise it gives me error because okay,